All right, what's going on YouTube? Today is May 26th. Let's go over today's trade. I took two trades today, one loss, one win. So, going into market open, coming back from Memorial Day weekend, we have a massive new week opening gap here. So honestly, I'm looking for shorts, okay? But on market open, there wasn't too many moves, and the one main move was here, right at market open, ES took out London lows, but it rejected heavily off this level. We inversed some gaps here with a V-shaped retrace, and created a 5-minute bullish gap. So I went ahead and entered here and took a small loss. As you can see, we had like a 5-minute retrace here. At this point, NQ is on a crazy bull run, so that's why I entered there as well. Got stopped out. We ended up respecting this 5-minute gap here. If I can find it, obviously eventually got inverse, but we were respecting this 5-minute gap. So let's go back here. So even though I got stopped out here, we were respecting this gap and this 1-minute gap down here. So once we inverse this large gap here, I entered again. I was a little nervous because we had a 5-minute gap up here. Wasn't sure how I was going to react off of. But I was aiming for these London highs, and these are previous day highs. Originally something I'd take profit up here, but then moved it down to the London high. Then ended up working out. Did not go to break even. I only went to break even when I was 3/4 to take profit, because normally I have been going to break even halfway to take profit, which would have been right here, and I've gotten break even quite a few times. So I just let it ride. Obviously, if I moved to break even halfway like I've been doing, I would have gotten stopped out right here and would have missed the move. But I did a nice 1-to-1 here, giving it plenty of room in case it wanted to retest this gap. And yeah, ended up working out. I actually had to close this out myself because it created equal highs here and didn't get taken out until this candle. So I closed this out myself. I think I lost maybe like 80 here and then made 120 on this one. So up on the day, and eventually it did take out the previous highs I was aiming for, but I was just happy, especially after a loss, to get out at London highs. So yeah, not a bad day. I'll take it. And we still have yet to fill this gap, which is crazy. So if it doesn't get filled overnight with Tokyo market, probably gonna be looking for shorts again tomorrow to fill this gap, because it's going to fill it eventually. So yeah, not a bad day. I'll take it, and I'll see you guys tomorrow for another one.